Yo, what's up, Instagram, Facebook? Look, I just want to say I'm hella disappointed right now, man, and all this racial bullshit going on. It's a video after another. Man, this shit is unacceptable, homie. And the crazy shit is that it's not even no KKK niggas or none of them white supremacist groups trying to do no foul shit to Raza or blacks. It's none of that, homie. It's our own motherfucking minorities since back in the day doing that shit between ourselves. That shit's stupid as fuck. And what I really want to touch on is that the motherfuckers doing the shit, like, you from the hood, bro. You know what the fuck is right and you know what the fuck is wrong. For the little kids, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 years old, what I consider little kids still, it's not okay, but it's more like, man, this fool's a fucking idiot, fucking lame. But I mean, if you a grown ass man, and when I say you're not a little kid after 12, I don't mean you an adult. I don't mean you could go do this and that shit. I mean that a lot of little homies that reach 13, they're able to see what's right and wrong. So if you're past that, if you exceeded that already, and you over here with that fuckery, with that bullshit, what the fuck is wrong with you, homie? Like, one thing I take in and I understand and I know I was wrong for was actions that I made when I was younger. Some dumb shit that I take full fucking responsibility for. If anyone brings it up to me to this day, I take full responsibility for. But as an adult, as I got older, sat back and analyzed what the fuck was going on, why I was doing the shit I was doing or moving the way I was moving. At the end of the day, it's trauma, Everybody went through something that makes them dislike or love something. Everybody went through something that turned them into the individual they are today. But what I'm saying is, when you're an adult, even you don't even have to be an adult, but when you're grown enough to mentally grasp something and analyze it, break that shit down, you can realize that you're taking action because you've been hurt, because some shit has happened to you that's making you feel that way. But look, check this shit out. What I'm saying is that that shit, homie. You know why you're mad at that person, at that race, at that gender. You know why the fuck you mad. You know why you're like, fuck the world. Fix that shit, nigga. Fix yourself. Because the motherfuckers in the future, your kids, your grandkids, are gonna be fucked up too, tormented by these fucking thoughts. You gonna get caught slipping. Somebody's gonna see that. They're gonna grow up hating the same motherfucking race, gender, etc. that you hated. The fuck you fucking up other people's lives for, homie? Grow up. If you have enough sense to understand why you moving the way you doing, move it, homie. Change it, homie. Straight up. If you don't, if you one of them titiris, that cannot fucking change shit or move in their own fucking direction because they a follower or whatnot, then by all means, catch what you got coming to you. But it's disappointing, homie. I just wanted to share my thoughts real quick, man, because a lot of motherfuckers have the power to change this shit, homie. Serio, I'm black and Mexican. My jefas from Delicia, Chihuahua. My dad's from New Orleans, Black and Mexican. I grew up with both sides. I seen the hatred from and to both sides. It's ridiculous. We can make a change, homie, but it's up to us to start it. People with the knowledge that know why they acting out, that know why they hate somebody, not even hate, why they dislike somebody, change that one day at a time. It ain't easy. Some motherfuckers seen a certain race rape their little sister, kill their father. I understand the pain, homie, but you understand it, and you need to understand that was one individual. Even if it was 50, there's millions more, and you're gonna judge them off that? Wake up, Esse. Wake up, my niggas. K-Life, you know what it is. Blaxican, King Nico. Just speaking my mind. Food for thought. Wake up. They winning.